Welcome back. Now news from sports. Coach of Salgaonkar Sports Club Karim Banchrifa has revealed his target of producing a much improved team performance in the next season. The Moroccan tactician guided the Vasco-based club to safety in the ongoing I-League. He has now set his sights on staying with the club and delivering better results in the forthcoming season.
Former National Football League champions Salgaonkar Sports Club struggled for the best part of the campaign and looked like one of the certain candidates for relegation this season. However, Banchrifa got his players to show tremendous fighting spirit in the crucial matches against Mumbai FC and Mahindra United to clinch important points and ensure their stay in the Indian top flight league. Former coach of Churchill Brothers and Mohun Bagan, Banchrifa praised the club chairman Shivanand Salgaonkar and said he is happy to stay at Salgaonkar.
Management is great, especially the chairman. He's such a passionate person about football, and actually you need more people like that in India now, especially with teams are pulling out. But of course the squad had some limitations, especially after the one foreigner left the team because of his loan, and few injuries, few suspensions here and there. So it became, but we was very unlucky. We're working towards our objective. We collected 17 points out of the second round, which is good, and that's helped the team to be on the position where they are.
And what about you, Karim? Are you thinking of what the future with Salgaonkar or somewhere in India?
Of course. I mean, the way how I'm treated here, I will continue with Salgaonkar, and hopefully we do some good thing next season. I just want to highlight one point, which is very important because I'm in that situation, is the All India Federation should look into the schedule of the second division also, because the team that comes up now by the end, the transfer players commit to their future and all this, and the team that's going to be, the two teams that's going to be promoted, the market is nearly closed. There is no players left, and they have to survive the first year, then they can build on that, and which is difficult. I feel the second division should finish same time as the I-League, so to be fair in the transfer market for the second division teams as well.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The FIFA World Cup 2010 is exactly a month away. Football crazy Goa is all excited about the world's biggest football bonanza.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. En las calles, muchas manos levantadas, celebrando una fiesta sin descanso.
32 nations, one title and one heck of a contest for supremacy. The FIFA World Cup fever will be on the rise from now. From June 11th, the world will witness one of the biggest sporting events for one whole month. If you're wondering what time the matches will begin, do not worry. The kickoff timings are 7:30 p.m, midnight and 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. India's football hub Goa is anxiously waiting for the competition to begin.
Yeah, I'm really excited about it. I'm waiting to watch it.
Okay, what do you like about the World Cup?
I like the teams, the players and all that. The way they play, it teaches me new tricks and dribbling skills and stuff like that.
What do you like about the World Cup?
The game, the high class quality of the game, and I'm supporting England for the World Cup because I'm a huge fan of Rooney.
Football, I'm not an avid follower of football actually, honestly, but I'm glued to the television set when the World Cup starts. Usually go out at big places where the matches are aired live, and the atmosphere is awesome. So the football one, yes, the glitter that surrounds it is really good, and I'm looking forward to it, and I hope England does well.
Like the World Cup?
Yeah,
What do you like about the World Cup?
all the players and especially Messi.
What do you like about Messi?
How he plays.
Yeah, I'm a die-hard Portuguese fan, and I'm rooting for Portugal this year too. They had a great World Cup last time.
What is so great about the FIFA World Cup?
I think you see football is played in more than 100 countries in the world, and it unites people.
I like the way they play, the game speed, how they dribble each other.
Yes.
Which team are you supporting?
I'm supporting Portugal.
Any reason to that?
Yeah, because I like the team combination, the way they play. They combine the full game and.
Our sports reporter from Panaji, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sushant Bari.
Eyes are the main attraction of a woman. Models and glamour personalities decorate their eyes with makeup and other artwork. Here are some of the eye makeups for all you women. Take care and goodbye.
And I can't sleep, I'm feeling blue.